Hey you, welcome to my YouTube channel where we dive into understanding the complexities of neurodiversity. I'm Nikki Palamountain from Dyslexia Unpuzzled, Hawke's Bay, and today we're exploring an important question. Can neurodivergent conditions co-occur? The short answer is yes, they can. Neurodivergent conditions like dyslexia and ADHD often co-occur, and understanding this overlap is critical for providing effective support and accommodations. But why does this happen, and what does it mean for individuals who experience more than one condition? Let's break it down. Firstly, let's clarify what we mean by neurodivergent conditions. These are variations in the brain structure and function that affect how individuals learn, process information, and interact with the world. Dyslexia, for instance, affects reading and language processing. ADHD, on the other hand, impacts attention, impulse control, and executive functioning. Research shows that neurodivergent conditions frequently overlap. Studies estimate that up to 30 to 50% of individuals with dyslexia also have ADHD, but it doesn't stop there. Neurodivergence can involve multiple overlapping conditions. For example, a person might have dyslexia, ADHD, and dyscalculia, a condition that affects the ability to understand and work with numbers. Now, here's an interesting fact. These conditions don't necessarily cause one another. Instead, they often arise from a shared genetic and neurological factors. The brain regions responsible for processing language, managing attention, and understanding numerical concepts are closely interconnected. Variations in these areas can result in multiple neurodivergent traits appearing together. But what does that look like in everyday life? Imagine someone who has dyslexia, ADHD, and dyscalculia. They might struggle with reading fluency, staying focused on tasks, and grasping maths concepts like fractions or time management. These challenges can sometimes compound, making academic or workplace settings especially difficult. At the same time, understanding this overlap can pave the way for targeted support. For instance, accommodations like speech-to-text tools can help with reading and writing, while organisational strategies can aid focus and task management. Similarly, visual aids and step-by-step approaches to maths problems can make numerical tasks more accessible. At Dyslexia Unpuzzled, I work closely with clients to bridge the gaps in understanding that can sometimes arise from conditions like ADHD and dyslexia. By addressing my clients' individual challenges directly, I help them develop the tools and strategies they need to grasp key concepts and navigate life more effectively. It's all about creating a clearer, more confident path forward, because with the right support, every challenge becomes an opportunity for growth. So what's the takeaway? If you or someone you know has multiple neurodivergent conditions, know that this is not uncommon and it's manageable. Recognizing and addressing the specific needs of each condition is the key to creating an effective support system. With the right tools and strategies, individuals can not only cope, but also succeed in pursuing whatever goals they set for themselves. Thanks so much for joining me today on my channel. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to share it and subscribe for more conversations on neurodiversity. I'm Nikki Palamountain, and until next time, remember, neurodiversity is not a deficit, it's a strength.